Hello everyone, welcome back to our PICSART tutorial series. Today we will try to do a poster for our mock event, which we've already examined in the last few videos. Today we're doing an A4 format poster, which has a dimension of 2480 pixels by 3508 pixels. So we're gonna input that into this menu. All right, of course, we can choose our measurement unit. We can use inches, we can use centimeters, whatever we find most comfortable to use. All right, so here we have our blank canvas. Of course, we have our assets, our templates, which we can take inspiration from. Today we will not use templates. We will create our poster from scratch. All right. First things first, we can change the color of our background. We can choose whatever we want. We have foliage focus, which PICSART immediately recommends to us because its algorithm understood immediately what we were going for. We have these color palettes, which are extremely useful for Instagram posts. All right, so for now, we will choose a random color. We'll choose this bright orange. But a bright orange isn't very pretty to write things on. So we will put a little shape, little element here, and we will try to do something like this. So we're gonna stretch it and center it. We can change its color. We can choose this white. So now we have a sort of little canvas in here. All right. Now we can decide to upload whatever we want. We can choose images with which we've previously generated with AI, or we can upload our logo. We can choose whatever file we need, and we upload immediately. Of course, our logo is white. Didn't think of that. So we're just gonna resize this so that we have space for both on the orange canvas. Here we can put this in the middle and stretch this like so. So we have space to put text with the info about our festival. Okay, now that we've got our first shape, our first mock-up of the actual poster, we can proceed to put some dummy text on it. We can add the text, move it wherever we want, and choose our text. There are many different fonts, some of them are premium, but there are a few free ones which we can use, like this one, which seems okay for our poster. Of course, we can adjust the size of our text just by dragging and dropping the whole thing. All right, we're just gonna write something random for now. All right, we've set the time, we've set the date. Looks like our festival is finally seeing the light. All right, now of course it's not really that pretty, but we can adjust however we want it. We can also put an image in the background, which is what we're going to do very shortly. So as a background, we can choose to add an image. Today we are going to generate it with AI. We can choose the image generator app so that it's easier. Need a full screen image generator for this. Okay, there it is. Took a bit to open the menu. All right. Now we can describe what we want exactly to this AI model. Of course, I think a nature photography could be better in this case, but we can choose whatever style we want, as we have seen in the past few videos. We are going to choose a pumpkin patch. Just a very simple picture. We have enough credits for generations, and now we will choose from 4 different pictures. All right. These are all very cute, but I think this one could be the best one. It's brighter. Okay, I'm gonna download it. You can also download all the others and test whichever one we want, but for now, it's okay. Back to our festival, we can upload the picture we've just downloaded. And we can open it in the upload section. Of course, this image is not really full screen as it was advertised. We can try to extend it, or we can simply just expand it and put it in the back. Of course, if we want to find a more suitable font, a more suitable palette, we can, of course, do that without any issues. PICSART is extremely useful when it comes to adding things through AI or recommending tips to enhance the whole thing. Just know that you can absolutely do anything you want, even with a free account, mostly because PICSART actually gives you up to 50 credits after you've done a few works for when you log in for the first time. But if I want to edit this picture, we can choose to use AI in order to do that, of course. Or we can just change everything. We can change its hue. We can change the blending mode. We have plenty of options, which we've already seen. We're going to go to adjust, go to colors. Of course, since it's pure white, it's not changing much. But of course, we can absolutely do it if you want. Of course, we can also do this with the background image. And here will be more visible, of course. A little darker, maybe it's better for contrast, actually. You can adjust the shadows, contrast, as usual. Adjust the saturation, which I think is a little better in this case. The hue, of course, does not really help us in this moment because it's a little too much. We can put it back to 0. Temperature, we can choose to make it very warm or very cold, depending on the vibe we're going for. The clarity of the picture, which doesn't really help us in this case, but it can help us in other contexts. We can choose this option, but it's premium, so we're not going to really to be able to use it for now. And of course, we can choose to put text in bold, italics, both, or underline it. Highlighting is a premium feature, so we cannot really do that right now, but we can also choose to use all caps. We can bend the text to a circle shape, but it's a premium feature. We can choose the spacing between the lines. We can add an animation, but it's pretty much useless with a poster. We can choose to edit the pictures. Again, we could try editing this one, but I don't think it would work since it's just a PNG, which I've exported and edited through another app. We can find many tutorials on the channels that explain how to remove backgrounds without using credits from PICSART. There's many other apps that can do that. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for the attention. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.